Welcome to YouTube Analytics Explained. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how to understand and interpret your video data to improve your content strategy. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that shows you exactly how your audience is interacting with your videos. By learning to read these metrics, you can make data-driven decisions that help your channel grow faster and stronger. Let's start with the 4 core metrics that every content creator should understand. Views tell you how many people watched your video for at least 30 seconds. Watch time measures the total hours viewers spent watching your content. Average view duration shows how long on average each person watches before leaving. And click-through rate, or CTR, shows what percentage of people clicked your thumbnail after seeing it. These 4 metrics form the foundation of understanding your channel's performance. It's important to understand the difference between views and impressions. Views count each time someone actually watches your video for at least 30 seconds. This is a quality metric because it means people found your content interesting enough to keep watching. Impressions, on the other hand, count each time your thumbnail appears on someone's screen, whether they click it or not. Impressions measure visibility, while views measure actual engagement. You can have many impressions, but fewer views if your thumbnail isn't compelling enough to make people click. Watch time is one of the most important metrics YouTube uses in its algorithm. It's the total cumulative hours that all viewers spend watching your videos. The more watch time you accumulate, the more YouTube will promote your content. Audience retention is closely related and shows the percentage of your video that viewers watch before clicking away. If your video is 10 minutes long and viewers stay for 7 minutes on average, your retention is 70%. Higher retention means people find your content valuable and engaging, which signals to YouTube that your videos deserve more visibility. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the percentage of people who click your thumbnail after seeing it in search results or recommendations. For example, if 100 people see your thumbnail and 5 people click it, your CTR is 5%. Your thumbnail is the first impression viewers have of your video, so CTR directly reflects how compelling your thumbnail design is. Most channels see between 2 and 5% CTR, but high-performing channels often achieve 5 to 10% or higher. If your CTR is low, it's time to improve your thumbnail design, add more contrast, use clearer text, or test different colors and styles. Understanding who watches your videos is crucial for creating better content. YouTube Analytics shows you the location of your viewers, revealing which countries and regions your content reaches. It also breaks down your audience by age group and gender, helping you understand if you're reaching your target demographic. Additionally, you can see what devices people use to watch, such as mobile phones, desktop computers, or tablets. Mobile viewers often behave differently than desktop viewers, so this information helps you optimize how your content appears on different screens. Your traffic sources show you how viewers found your video in the first place. Search traffic comes from YouTube search and Google search results, driven by keywords in your title and description. Recommended videos are suggested by YouTube's algorithm based on viewing history. Home feed traffic comes from subscribers seeing your video on their home page. External traffic comes from links outside YouTube, such as your website, social media, or blogs. Understanding your traffic sources helps you optimize your strategy. If most traffic comes from search, focus on keyword optimization. If recommended videos are low, improve your watch time and retention. Engagement metrics show how actively your audience interacts with your content beyond just watching. Likes indicate positive reactions from viewers. Comments represent direct feedback and conversations with your audience. Shares happen when viewers post your video to other platforms, which expands your reach organically. While views are important, engagement metrics signal to YouTube that your content is creating meaningful conversations and connections. A video with fewer views but high engagement often gets more algorithmic boost than a video with many views but little interaction. Encourage engagement by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating content that sparks discussion. Tracking new subscriber growth per video shows you which content types attract subscribers. Some videos may get many views but few subscribers, while others convert viewers into long-term supporters. Monitor daily and weekly subscriber trends to identify patterns. Subscriber retention is equally important and measures what percentage of your subscribers remain active. Consistent uploads and high-quality content drive long-term retention. A growing subscriber count indicates that people value your channel enough to want to see future videos automatically. Focus on creating content your audience wants to watch repeatedly. Now that you understand these metrics, here's how to use them to improve your channel. First, optimize your content by identifying which video topics perform best and creating more content like your top performers. Second, test different thumbnail designs and analyze their CTR to find what makes people click. Third, determine when your audience is most active and post at those optimal times. Finally, use demographic data to tailor your content to match your audience's interests and preferences. Analytics is not just about numbers, it's about understanding your viewers and creating content they love. Check your analytics weekly and make adjustments based on what the data tells you. Here are 3 essential takeaways from this guide. First, consistently track your core metrics of views, watch time, retention, and click-through rate to understand video performance. Second, use demographic and traffic source data to know your audience deeply so you can create content that resonates with them. Third, iterate and improve by analyzing your results, testing new approaches, and continuously optimizing based on the insights analytics reveals. Remember, successful YouTube channels are built on data-driven decisions combined with creative, authentic content. Start reviewing your analytics today and use these insights to build a stronger, more engaged community around your channel.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.